Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you the location of the interior fuse panel on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So from the passenger side, we're going to go in over here next to the center console, or part of the center console. I'm just going to use this trim tool. We sell this at 1aauto.com, or you can use a screwdriver. It's kind of hard to use your finger. It's in there pretty good. So just get underneath here, pry out on this door, just like that, and pry the top part out. There's some clips that hold this door on, just like that. Set that aside. Then the fuse panel is behind here. You actually have to take your fingers. There's two more locks right here, and there's a cover. You're gonna pull this cover out, push down on those two locks. And there's a little key on the back side of here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it numbers all the fuses. Now, if you want to know the actual location and what the fuse is, you're gonna have to check your owner's manual. The fuses are located in here. Now there's no key or anything to take the fuses out, so you will need a pair of pliers. You can grab the fuse, pull it out, you can check it, see if it's good. This one's still good. Take it, insert it, push it back down. When you're done, just take the cover, lock it back into position, and then take this cover, push it back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.